She knew the path would open to her. A blood-carved stave, a soul sea falling, a too familiar darkness, an endless night. He is the next sign.
You could see it. Do you remember it?
She knows that suffering,
That feeling.
poisoning her mind with fear.
That rot.
Covers him now.
Covers him.
Do you see it, Senwa?
She
Do
sees
you see the darkness?
She feels it.
The faces of fear and suffering. You can see it.
the sign. What does it mean?
That sign. What is it?
You need to understand. You need to understand.
Answer!
It is my father, Sigil.
His father,
Your father.
The Gothi.
monster.
He's here.
Look at him.
No,
The shadow.
but this place is his. The people here are weak. They would not survive without his help.
You have
Like you.
Does she?
Enough!
He's wounded. He won't try anything.
You have to keep your eyes on.
We should have thrown you overboard. I wish you had drowned like the others. Just wait till I get free. You seriously think you will survive here? You don't know this place.
He is evil.
He knows this place.
She shouldn't trust him.
So quiet.
No further. Something's wrong.
What happened here?
It smells of death.
He doesn't want
The
to.
settlement has fallen to the Dragar.
Oiga.
There is nothing but death beyond those gates.
I don't want to see what's in there.
Did you hear it?
Did you hear it? Don't listen.
Someone is suffering. Help me. You need to go inside. You need to help them. Someone needs your help.
Everyone is dead in there. Everyone.
Help us.
Do you want to join them?
You came here to help.
Let's go.
Listen to yourself.
What is beyond there is too dark.
We are leaving. Now.
Don't give me orders, slaver. We'll find another way in.
Quick.
I will take you to my people, like I said.
He has
Not
a
into
plan.
this settlement. You have no idea what you're walking into.
He wants you to
Just turn around.
No, we can't leave. Don't tell him you hear things.
Do you remember the screams?
He wouldn't understand.
I can't.
Damn you. Why won't you listen to reason?
I thought your father protected these people.
He does. Did. You can't protect people from their own stupidity. It looks like they let their guard down. They brought this on themselves.
These Troika, what are they? What is this evil he understands that we do not? Troika. Look there.
Can you see?
The mounds of earth.
You see these graves? This is how we honor our dead. There will be no one to bury you.
These graves are new. So many bodies.
So much death.
Something's happened here.
You haven't honored these graves. What happened?
I told you.
Troika.
Droigar.
Who are they?
They won't just kill you.
Are they from this world or another
It is far worse. It is what they do after.
They will kill you. They will kill us.
You still have a chance to save your life if you stop now.
You must trust yourself. Listen to your own mind.
Is it my life you're trying to save?
He is scared.
Why? Why is he scared?
He knows what they are capable of.
Troika,
Why would you bring him with you?
are you sure you want to?
She has to leave him here.
He will be a burden to you.
But what if he escapes?
What are you going to do, Senwa?
What are you going to do?
Decide.
What are you doing?
There's something here.
They are not.
I need to find out what it is.
They're dead.
You're mad.
She's not mad.
Doesn't see the signs.
Don't make sense.
Stupid!
He doesn't.
You're mad.
He doesn't know.
He doesn't see the signs.
There is no way. I am going in there.
Look at it.
Look at him.
Wounded. Hurt. Defeated.
But you need him.
No,
Feel the
you're not.
Rage.
But we need him alive.
He will try to escape.
She has.
Go on then. Do it.
Don't let the rage get the better of you.
The rage is coming. He wanted to kill us.
Do you remember just moments ago he tried to kill you?
You shouldn't have saved him.
This was a mistake. Senwa, he enslaves people.
How does it feel to be the one bound and helpless? Waiting to die.
When this heals, I will kill you, mad woman.
For that, you'll need to stay alive.
You must discover what is happening. What evil is here. What happened here?
What happened here?
Everybody has died.
All the people butchered.
Dead bodies everywhere.
It's happening again.
This is like what happened to your village. To your village.
To us.
Do you remember?
Do you?
Bodies everywhere. It's too much.
Who did this and why? What are you looking at?
Don't look at it.
Don't stop here. Move on.
Look away.
Look away.
The Northmen raided your village.
They enslaved people.
They took Dillian. Your beloved Dillian.
They killed him, Senwa.
He died because of them.
Do you remember?
They took him from you. Your Dillian.
They killed him.
everywhere bodies, covered in blood.
The blood. Don't think.
It's already happened. It's in the past. It's too late.
There's nothing you can do.
You are letting the past control you. What happened here?
Hold your breath.
The air smells thick with disease.
The stench of it. She can't forget. You can never forget.
That memory lurks. If you face it, the past will free you.
No,
Don't listen.
no, it's too much.
It's happening again. It's him. There. He is dying again.
Dying right before your eyes, just like before.
Face it.
You need to face it.
Focus.
You need to look at it.
Face the past. So many dead. Look away.
Flies.
There's no need to stay here.
Move on. She's getting closer.
Yes, she can feel it. Face your fear. Focus. You found the first part, yes.
2 more to go.
2 more.
Only 2.
This place will worm its way into your mind. It will suck you back into the past and hold you there.
Not here.
Above.
On that platform.
There.
They are all dead. Dead. Up there.
Look closer.
Closer. You need to find another angle.
She needs to find another angle.
Another way of looking.
Yes, getting closer. She can feel it.
Focus.
Go through it to the other side. Focus. She needs your help. Go.
Galena?
Galena, where is she? Save her
Galena!
mother. The past will always find her.
I warn you. You are back there now. In the worst time of your life.
Face it. Focus.
You know what's coming.
You have come so far.
This is the hardest part.
What are you doing?
Return to the gate.
You think
Use
you
this.
understand?
Use it.
You will never understand.
Where are we now?
Where are you? What's that?
You recognize this place?
No.
Senwa, it's home.
Can you hear it?
She's singing.
Galena is here.
Do you remember?
that song?
Mommy.
Senua. Oh, you've come home.
It's your mother.
Come in.
Can you hear her?
It's good.
She's singing.
It wasn't all bad, was it?
That voice.
Remember,
That beautiful voice.
there was happiness too.
She sang to you.
You need to hold on to that.
You need to remember that. It will help you.
My mirror. It will help you get through this.
It will.
Listen,
The burning.
Do you remember me, Senua?
they are coming. Smoke.
I bet you really saw it.
The Northmen are coming. They are coming for you.
Remember what they did to you. How your village burned. Why?
We killed your soul. We tear out your I know this place.
She drowns in the past. All that she lost tearing at her with dead hands and eyes of fire. Her village, just cinders now. The past is never past. Her father.
Simba.
Did you think you could escape your past, Senua? You tried to run, didn't you?
She can't forget. You can never forget.
You thought you got away.
No,
You thought you left it behind in hell.
Dillian.
Dillian, you're Dillian. You're lovely, Dillian.
But you will never be free of
His
this.
pain.
His suffering.
However far you go, it will hold you forever in darkness.
It's the only way.
Take your darkness with you. It's yours.
Be in control of
You will never leave your past behind. It binds you here.
You'll drown in the memory of him.
Hellblade.
She will be lost in grief forever.
I carry it with me.
Learn to hold on to it.
It drives me forward.
She cannot forget.
It's a promise. prison.
Keep it close.
Don't let the past stop you.
Don't let it drag you down.
Your destiny awaits. Look up.
It's not real.
The worst pain, the cruelest blows, they make us who we are. Do you see that? She does. She won't lose them again, her mother, her lover. She won't forget. She won't let them slip from her, like light fading as eyes close. She will hold them. It's hanging from a pole.
Like a cow.
What could do this?
Try again.
Remember, Senua. Bones,
Limbs.
arms.
What evil has happened here? It's coming for you. The light. Go towards the light.
It is terrifying, but somehow
Let it draw you in.
beautiful.
What was that? Something is hidden.
Can you see it? There, the light. Look. Go towards it.
What is it? Look. Face, face. Focus, Senua.
Focus.
So beautiful.
They're moving.
Moving, transforming.
Where will it take you?
Where?
Look, life. Focus, Senua.
In
all the places of the earth, they know that the gods and spirits affect man's path. All the misfortune that befalls man lies at their feet. If you have eyes to see, you see their presence and their power. Keep your eyes open, traveler, and you might see their faces.
That scream.
That voice.
Something dark, Simba.
We need to go up there.
Don't let them see you coming.
You need to find out.
Don't let the monsters find you.
You can do this.
She knows what it's like to fear. As a child, scared of the night, her mother's soft voice calmed her. But now, she's alone. And there's more to fear than just the darkness. There are ghosts that walk in the noonday sun, monsters that climb out from under the bed. Some shadows can't just be dispelled with light. Some shadows don't want to scare you. They want your blood, your flesh, your life. But the voices are calling.
Moving towards it.
The glow of the light.
Go quietly.
Slowly. Il Toiga.
What does that mean?
What does that mean? It's terrifying. So beautiful.
You can't sense the evil here.
It's in the air.
Listen.
Torture. They will kill you. They will kill us. You could still turn back. She can barely move, she can barely walk. Stop shaking. What can you see? Move, control your fear, control it. You can do this. Follow them. The light is so enticing.
We want to keep moving towards it.
We'll lead you to where you need to be.
No, she can't get in here. Find another way.
You can do this.
It's easy to turn back, turn away, when every nerve is screaming with fear. Be safe, be quiet, run and hide, run away. But to turn back is to lose yourself, lose your way, defeated and dead-eyed. And the path ahead is clear, soaked in blood and bile, but beacon bright and clear.
Keep going.
Maybe this time she can't.
This fear can't drag you down.
You've chosen this place for a reason.
So many voices.
What is this place?
So loud.
What if this fear is worth listening to? You can feel it, that voice.
Summoning you.
That voice.
What's down there?
The smell is rotten.
Look.
I journey to these darkest lands to heal those overcome by fear and hate. However dark it seemed, I always found a ray of light. In this wretched land, by far the darkest of them all, it seemed the shadow would never lift. But I knew I would find my light.
Who is he? He knows her.
He feels us.
Reaching out to us in the dark.
You have to help him, Senua.
This is our quest.
This is our destiny.
Our mission.
Senua, would you give your life for these outsiders?
In my darkest hour, it was an outsider who saved me.
This man, his kin killed yours. You should want his blood, not to give him aid. Oh, you have lost your way.
Look what they do to those who fight.
Do you see you? They will destroy you hidden from them.
Don't let them see you yet. It's not time. You have to get out of
how the revenant glamour roamed the settlements, terrifying all those who lived there. Each one he killed, in turn, rose to walk beside him. Thus, evil begets evil. But the man Grettir was proud and overbearing, and thought the Droiger no match for his strength. The Skalds tell how the revenant glamour roamed the settlements, terrifying all those who lived there. Each one he killed, in turn, rose to walk beside him. Thus, evil begets evil.
Butchering her, slaughtering her. You thought it couldn't get any worse. How could you make them stop? What are they? It's too much. What are they? It's just too much. They're not human. They can't be. They're monsters.
A rite of blood and fire. You will never understand this power. Something is coming.
Cuts through the chaos. He is her next sign, the next step on her path. She will bathe in blood, her sword will sing, and she will free him. He'll die trying.
She has us! She's fighting her! Come on! Yes! Get up and fight! I'll be alive! Body's strong. You have to hit harder. Slow. You can do this. Let go of rage. kill. Don't let them kill you.
God with Lord.
Give them pain. She knows what they're going to do. What are they made of? The pain. Get him away from us! Look out! You can see it, Pato, can feel it. There is no time to feel pain now, Senua. Keep going. So strong. They enjoy killing. Enjoy this. Enjoy killing. They are fast, but you know what they are going to do. Predictable. They underestimate you. Be aggressive. How will you ever win this? No time. You came here to free him. Now do it.
Cut me loose.
Quick.
What's he going to do? We have no time, Senua. The earth is shattering. He is not perfect. Set him free.
What is your name?
Senua.
He is not free.
I've been waiting for you.
Do it. Do it now. It's here. Help me.
His voice terrifies. She is coming. Can you feel her? She can feel it. Something from the other world is coming.
It's here. Help now. Do it.
Get out! Run! Run! Find out. What do we do? Run!
Heat Tiger! Run! lucky. Come on.
It all just stopped.
Yeah, it's daybreak. You'll have to hide from the light now. Else he will hunt us. Find our trail as soon as he can. You're not safe now. Let's go.